Okay, right now we're going to work on the variable fullness menu, and we're going to pull down, open the file, pull down 4043, which is the back view of a bodice. Bring this down, and what we're going to do is we're going to splice up this, make a shoulder yoke out of here. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to a line menu, create a line, digitize a line, and then I'm going to bring this up so you can see. First point, I'm going to click here, right click, change to value mode. Now you can see there's the arrow occurred, yellow going down, so that will be 3 inches down. So I'm going to type in 3 and OK, and change that to cursor mode, and you see this pop, and I want to go to the other end. For me to know that I'm really doing it straight, I'm going to right click it and go into horizontal. So reach the other end, click, and I'm going to click OK. So it's perfectly on that yoke. Now I'm going to separate these two pieces. Split piece on line. We're going to split the piece on line where we just created, and then we're going to call it yoke 1, bodice 1 for the second piece, bottom. Okay, if you see this weight, the paper weight for your pattern, that means we're on this, the red, another one to save. Okay, so now I'm going to separate these 3 pieces. So I have these 3 pieces. I'm going to click OK. So I'm out of that menu. Right click. I'm going to send this piece to menu. Right click, piece to menu. Right click. I'm going to delete this piece from work area because I don't need it anymore. And I want to be able to see that you have saved the bodice and the yoke. So now what we're going to do is we are going to do a variable fullness. We're going to take down the bodice. What we're going to do is we have to add 2 inches on this portion of the yoke, and then we want to add 4 inches at the bottom hem. So we're going into piece, fullness, variable fullness, and we are going to go up and down to slash it. First we create a slash from here, up, right click, vertical all the way down, and click at the bottom hem. Do another one slash right here, right click, vertical all the way down, slash to the bottom hem, and I'm going to click OK. So the location to remain stationary, we'll click the center back seam. Internal line, I'm going to click any box will pick up the internal line. It says OK. So now we have to position the piece to create. If I'm on cursor mode, this thing will just go like this as I wish. So I'm going to change to value mode. Once I change to value mode, the yellow arrow occurred again. If I'm going this direction will be plus, that direction will be minus. Since I have more fabric here, I'm going to go that direction and enter the fullness there. So the top, we're going to enter 1 inch on top, plus, okay? Okay, so now automatic, because it's a variable fullness, it dragged down to your second portion, which is the bottom hem. And I'm going to add 2 inches down here, the distant 2 inches, pop back up. So we're going to add another 1 inch on top, okay. Bottom, 2 inches at the bottom, okay. And then I'm going to click OK. This is your piece that you just modify, adding the 2 inches fullness up here and adding the 4 inches fullness down here using the variable fullness menu. And then you're going to right click here, edit piece info, and you're going to name this. We're going to name this tent. Okay, we're going to name this tent. Okay, apply OK. So you have this piece to menu, you have 10 up here. So this is what you work on. You separate the 2 pieces. You want to see what you work on, it will be right here. Separate all the pieces. You have all this thing you modified just now. and you take a screenshot, you could upload it to Blackboard.